Here's how this channel makes approximately $214,000 a month, and they're doing publishing simple kind of videos to make this kind of money, and you can see they get millions of views just with one of their videos. You can start a simple side hustle by using ChatGPT just to create these videos. So let's say you wanted to make a video about 35 random acts of kindness that will restore your faith. Step 1 is to come to chat.openai.com. After you do that, you have to sign up with your email. Once you sign up with your email, you'll be logged into ChatGPT. So then just log into ChatGPT and give ChatGPT the command about 35 acts of kindness that will restore your faith in humanity. As you can see, ChatGPT created a script for 35 acts of kindness that will restore humanity in faith. And this is 100% free. Then you can use your own microphone to record your voice over for the script to create your video. Step 3 is to go to canva.com and then create a new YouTube video. Create a blank YouTube video. Upload your voice over here and upload in Canva. Use these videos in the design tab. You can see there's a lot of videos here that you can use to create your YouTube videos.